Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Hey guys, and what's up? I hope you guys are having a blessed day. I have not been on here in a while because I've been busy with school and everything else. I am just trying to get things together right now. I just got home not too long ago, took a shower, and yeah, cleaned up my home a bit. Got a little bit more studying to do. Got another exam tomorrow, but after that I have, yeah, one more tomorrow and then I'm off for a bit. So currently, as you can see, my house is kind of in shambles. I'm cooking, so I'm just kind of prepping. I'm gonna make some mashed potato with corn, and I'm making some salad as well. So I am doing that, and I also got rice, and I am making some chicken breasts for dinner. So yeah, so pretty much I am prepping dinner early. And yeah, as you guys can see, Mr. Williams is back from his trip, and I hope you guys are loving the vlogs so far. So I hope you guys are actually enjoying those that quick Jamaican vlog. But stay tuned, we will be having more Jamaican vlogs this year, so definitely stay tuned for that. And yeah, I don't know what else we're doing. If we are, I don't know. I wanted to take a trip to the States, but I don't know. I guess we will just see what happens. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs so far. I'm still sick. I've had an inside fever for the last 4 days. Yeah, it's been really bad, but still pushing through and everything. And I hope you guys actually like the Q&A that's finally up. So I hope you guys are also enjoying, you guys enjoyed that video. A lot of people have been requesting it, and I guess it was an overdue video, so we decided to do one. So I hope you guys are enjoying it, and yeah, so stay tuned. We have a few other things coming, but I just wanted to come by and say hi.
This is hard.
I know it's hard. It's supposed to be hard.
Wait, so wasn't this for Father's Day?
No. So yeah. So I guess I don't know. And that's about it. If I were doing anything later, I'll come back on. But if not, then yeah, I'll talk to you later. Hey guys. So I am back. Just sorry. Excuse me. So I am back. I just finished cutting up my potatoes. Yeah, I cut some of the skin off, but like with red potatoes, I like the skin on when I'm making mashed potato. Just give it a little bit more color to it, I find. And my salad is finished, so I'm just gonna cover that bad boy and put it in the fridge for later. I got my chicken breast here all cut up, and I also got my seasoning cut up, and of course I got my hot sauce, which I'm gonna drown in that bad boy just now. So I'm about to start frying. Oh, sorry for the lighting. Oh, I think Miss Faith is messing with this camera. So I'm just gonna put this in the fridge for now. I was thinking of making some Pillsbury rolls, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Let me just stick to the basic stuff that I said I was gonna do, and yeah, that's it. Oh, I think these mangoes, they've gone so bad. Oh no. They stay up here till they're pretty much rotten. These ones. Oh, these are, what do they call these mangoes, Memphis? I think those are called rusty. Yeah, those ones are, yeah, that's what Mario calls them, rusty. So I'm just waiting for my pot to get hot, and then I'm just gonna start cooking. Get some oil. It's hot enough. Put some oil in here. And then let that get even hotter for a little bit longer. It is so nice outside. I have to turn the fan on. Let me try and fix this camera. Okay, I think I fixed it. Sorry if the lighting was bad before on this. I'm so sorry about that, guys. Oh, but I think this is ready. Yeah, this one looks hot. Let's see. I don't even need to say let's see. Yep, okay. So it's ready to go. And I'm just going to be getting in all my meat. And that one is flashing. Okay. So okay, so I got my meat in and it is going. So I'm gonna let that sit and cook for a bit. I think I could put on the potato. Let me grab the stuff. Hot cupboard. I'm thinking I should put on the potato. I could probably do that, but I wanted to wait and put them on. I'm gonna wait till hubby get closer to home, and then I'm gonna put those on along with my rice. That way, when he comes home, dinner is nice and hot. I like to make sure that dinner is nice and hot for when he gets home, instead of having to warm stuff up in the microwave. So I always try to make sure that his dinner is nice and hot when he gets home. But while that is going, I have this video I was just watching and I need to finish editing it. So I'm about to go do that now. Let me fix that. So yeah, I know the lighting in here is amazing. Amazing. Oh, and by the way, I end up getting myself a little ring light, guys. Oh gosh, it's so funny because when I ordered the ring light, I thought it was the big one, but it wasn't even the big one. It ended up being the smaller one, but that's okay. It is what it is, and I just gotta use what I have for now. I know I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning with hubby because he had to get ready to go to work. So I've been up with him, and I just got up and couldn't go back to sleep, and I was up studying. So your girl is tired, but I still got a bit of studying to go. Still sick, so don't mind the look. Right now I'm feeling like even a cold sweat coming on from being sick, which sucks. Ugh. Being sick and exam times ain't no joke. And at least my voice is not so bad. At nighttime it tends to go, but your girl's gonna just transfer over some music off. Yeah, so as you guys can see, I'm here editing another vlog. And oh guys, give this video a thumbs up on my husband's vlogging in Jamaica. He was shy, but he did what he could, so I am so proud of him. So I will give him his thumbs up on his vlogging for Jamaica. So, and he got a lot of footage, like, and he didn't go down for that long. It was only a few days he went down because of, you know, the loss in our family. So that's what happened, but he was able to get so much footage, which was great. And I'm so proud of him, like, you know, for vlogging. He's always recording anyways. So I always tell him, like, you're always recording anyways. Even when I just met him, he's always been recording. So it's the same thing as vlogging. You always doing videotapes and stuff like that. So why not? So yeah guys, so I'm just letting that meat cook, and then I am going to yeah, so I'm gonna let this bad boy fry a little bit longer. There's just a seasoning on it. Smells good. I know. You can imagine. My husband brought. Let me see. So what is this? The seasoning here. So we use this season here because Maggie is what it is. Yes, I'm promoting Maggie. Jamaican seasoning. This is the all-purpose Jamaican seasoning. We bought this one up here, and hubby went home and bought this bad boy. Like, look at the size difference. And do you know this little thing that you buy up here is way more expensive than this, right? Way more. So, and even this one, we bought this one as well, and the price to get three of these is cheaper than getting three of these up here. And if you would have bought the same size, these size ones back in Jamaica, it would be a whole lot cheaper. So you can imagine. That's why you always see when people see people stacking up their suitcases to come up here, and we getting overweight and don't want to pay for the overweight. Even we don't want to pay for the overweight, but they know the reason why. We gotta stock up on our seasoning because they're so expensive up here, and the seasonings are way cheaper down there, right? And last time, anytime we have like a family member go home or something, or like if his aunt go home, we always ask for her to bring back seasoning and stuff, and you know, just to have some of that authentic Jamaican seasoning. And especially for him, he definitely needs it because he doesn't like, for him, like when he goes to the store and can't find what he generally uses as seasoning back home, he's like, I can't cook with the type of seasoning. So he's like, babes, even if I have to go home like once every couple of months or something like that, just to make sure we get what we need and have, he's like, I want to do that. So he was actually glad that he was able to pick up seasoning, and yeah, and then we just do it what we have. So I'm just waiting. Oh, see, look at these. They've turned color so fast. I wish I should have soaked them, but I'm gonna edit this vlog, guys, and yeah, I will be back on when I'm checking on the food. Okay, so I'm gonna check on my meat. Well, let's see. Browning, that's good. Looking good. I'm gonna let it sit a little bit. I'm gonna have to throw this in now. So I'm just gonna throw all that in. And mix it up. Okay, so as you see, good. So I'm gonna cover it with the lid and let it sit there for a bit. Put a little bit of water in this, and I think I could probably put on the other pot now, get the rice going, and put on the mashed potatoes at the same time right now. So that's what I am about to do. Still editing, almost finished. I'm just looking for a few tunes to put with this thing. So, but I think I found a 1-2 song, so I'm just gonna use that. Okay, so I got my pot covered now. I am just turning on my rice and my water. So I'm just waiting till the water boil up so I could put the potato in. My dish is all washed, so I just saved myself trouble from having to do dishes because I like to wash my plate as I cook. So that's what I did. So now I have no dishes in the sink, and the rice is on, getting ready to cook. And okay, oh, all right. So hubby should be home in the next half an hour, at least with the rice will be cooked. Before that, I could turn it down, put it on low heat, and it will be good to go once he gets here. So yeah, I'm back to my editing. I just want to try and get this one done and uploaded. So yeah, it will be out there by tomorrow. Okay guys, I am almost finished my editing. I know, editing is what takes the longest. And ooh, look at that, dinner is almost cooked. So I have my potatoes almost finished. And rice is finished. So I'm just gonna put it on low heat. Let me see, mix these potatoes a little bit. Hopefully I probably can crush them soon. They look like they're about ready. I'll just leave them on a little bit longer. Doesn't matter anyways because they are pretty much mashed, just mashed potatoes I'm making, so it's okay if I leave it on a little bit longer. Let me just turn the meat. Yeah, so this is pretty much cooked. So I'm just gonna put everything now on low heat and pretty much wait for him to come home. So we'll put everything on a low heat. I don't think is he home yet? No. They're doing a massive construction outside. So let me turn that stuff down. Oh my. So, oh gosh, I turned everything down. Everything is pretty much cooked. So I'm just going to finish doing my editing, and yeah, I will be back when dinner is finished and being dished. Hey guys, so dinner is finished. As you can see, Mr. Williams is home, and I am waiting for him to go shower. Really? So we can eat. Yes, really. So rice is all done, everything, and I even did the mashed potato. Really? And chicken is well done and cooked. Babes, go shower please, I'm hungry. I'm going. No, you said you were going half an hour ago. Yeah, he's been home for half an hour and he's sitting there. What do you mean lie? What do you see? Exactly. Didn't he just said he was gonna go shower? He's talking about sitting there looking at Tool. Go and shower. I'm losing my voice. Pardon? Yeah, I got him hooked on sale, guys. And before you always used to laugh at me in the top about, Sean, what are you doing with coupon and sales and clearance? No. Hello, you do the coupon. No coupon sale. You do the coupon same way. Hey, I'm always about a deal. If I can get the 2 for 1, why not? You save yourself some money. You get 2 items for the price of 1. Save yourself some coins.
It's still no report.
What do you mean it's still no record? So why you look on the sale for? Get up and go shower.
No, that me attack.
Babes, go shower. What do you mean in no record?
People send flyers here. How will it?
Get off the thing and go shower.
You know what you're talking?
No, you give talking. Go shower. I'm hungry.
You know what I'm tired?
So what? Get up and go shower. Huh? Look like one of them. What you call it? A bungo jet in a camera.
Low me.
Go shower, please. I'm hungry.
You're gonna eat.
Oh, I'm waiting for you to eat.
Why?
So I can dish the dinner. So we.
Bye.
You say nasty, but we want me to eat. You say nothing.
Who that you break?
You know, just come from work. You're all sweaty.
Who sweat?
You. Oh, please. Oh, you no sweat. Look at your whole back is wet.
Lie.
I don't want to feel your back. Go shower, please. Huh? Hurry up. I set you a nice bubble bath up there.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
Can you hurry up, please? Oh, gosh. So, I'm going to just dish out the food, and yeah, we're about to eat in the next 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how long this one takes in the shower.
Half an hour.
Really, babes? Come on, do a bird bath.
Huh?
Do a bird bath. I'll come off this camera before I get some cussing out. I tell this Jamaican man to go do a bird bath. What you say? What I call a bird bath is like where you just take some water and splash up underneath your armpit and your private parts and call it a day. That's why I say me I come up. Yeah.
We said I was sleeping them fire alarm today.
Hey, I try to put on the play.
No.
So what were you
Fire
doing?
truck come.
Oh.
Because they were $500.
Oh my gosh, Mario, you really cost the company that much money?
I know me.
Wait a minute, no, you say you said you put a fire alarm today, and that cost them $500.
You know what's not those set off me?
So now you classy?
I know me, I work.
Here they. So are you?
You know chicken me a jerk?
I almost chicken you a jerk. You see your face. Go and shower. Stop talking.
Hello, I was saying a consumption that.
Really, babes? If you hurry up, I wouldn't be having this consumption because I would be eating. Oh my goodness. Who, Memphis? probably holding in his green stench in there. Oh my god. I'm sure when you get older he'll say the same about you. Memphis, where you say your room smell? Oh, your room like an old man room. You say your stench just hit him a while ago. What's upstairs? Is your window open? You better not have no surprises up there like the last surprise I found up there in that room. Alright. Oh my gosh. Hurry up, babes. So guys, and there you have it. And that is dinner. So I'm about to dig in. I couldn't wait on him no more. So I'm about to eat and I'm finished dishing out his food when he gets downstairs. So, but I don't think we're doing much for the rest of the evening. Just me, I got a few hours I gotta go study for and then have some family time, and then pretty much that's probably it for the night. So I'm just going to end the vlog right here, and I would like to say thank you guys all for watching, and I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.
Simple things are your blessing. You better notice your blessing.
Passing, tell them say you love them for you see them in a coffin. None days bad days, you know say you with up. Me with a trade house and car and shed up. Just forget 1 more minute with my brother. So you get up, spend time together.